Anishinaabe Kilwinnan Nin Ni Qui Ki Nin Gi Nui Nin Me I Ni I'm Qui are you Ki did you Nin Gi I have Gi he she has Nui I'm going to Ninda Kilwinnan Tenon and Sigishgak Gigatuwang Nin Me I Nin Ga Paja Makwa and that Nungo Shkwa Nakwek. I will go to Bear's Place this afternoon. Nin Minwa Wabus Ni Pajame Jigbik Nungo. Me and Rabbit, we are going to the beach today. Nin Ni Gishnatonan Shke Makazanan. Me, I'm going to buy new shoes. Nin Ga Wapma Esban Kukush and that Wobang Gishep. I will see Raccoon Pig's Place tomorrow morning. Ni I'm Ni Pasha Makwa and that Nungosh Konakwek. I'm going to Bear's Place this afternoon. Ni Pasha Jigbik Nungo. I'm going to the beach today. Ni Gishnatoden Shke Makazanan. I'm going to buy new shoes. Ni Wapma Esban Kukush and that Wobong Gishep. I'm going to see Raccoon Pig's Place tomorrow morning. Kui are you? Kui Pasha na Makwa and that Nungo Shkonakwek. Are you going to Bear's Place this afternoon? Kui Pasha na Jigbik Nunga. Are you going to the beach today? Kui Gishnatonan na Shke Makasinan. Are you going to buy new shoes? Kui Wapma na Esban Ukush and that Wobung Gishep. Are you going to see Raccoon Pig's Place tomorrow morning? Ningi I have Ningi Pasha Makwa and that Jinagwa Nakshik. I have went to Bear's Place yesterday evening. Nin Gi Pasha Jigbik Nungo Sheba. I have went to the beach this morning. Nin Gi Gishnatonan Shke Makasanan. I have bought new shoes. Nin Gi Wapma Esban Gukush and that Chinago Tabekak. I have seen Raccoon Pig's Place yesterday night. Gi he she has Gi Pasha Makwa and that Nungo Shkonakwek. She went to Bear's Place this afternoon. Gi Pasha Jigibik Nungo. He went to the beach today. Gi Gishnatonen Shke Makasanan. She bought new shoes. Gi Wapman Esban Kukush and that Nungo Gishep. He seen Raccoon Pig's Place this morning. Nui I'm going to. Nui Pasha Makwa and that Nungo Nakshik. I'm going to Bear's Place this evening. Nui Pasha Jigibik Nungo. I'm going to the beach today. Nui Gishnedoden Shke Mokasinan. I'm going to buy new shoes. Nui wapma isaban kukush endat wobang nakwek. I'm going to see Raccoon Pig's place tomorrow at noon.